Assalamualaikum guys, this is Umair Zafar, and in this video I will tell you how to create a RAR file. So first of all, you should have to download a RAR file. If you don't have a RAR file, so download it. I have a link of drive, you can find in the description below. This is the link, you can open from the description. So I copy the link and paste it. Okay, this is the drive, shared drive, and here you can see this is RAR 64-bit. So open it, and download it. Okay, now it's give you the option of rename, and just download it. And our downloading is start. So now in document, in downloads, you can find this RAR file. This is our RAR file which is downloaded. So now you downloaded the RAR file. Now you have to install it. So double click it, and it's all give you an option, yes or no. Yes, and by default it gives you the location of C drive. If you want to change the location where it will install it, so you can change the location, and from here browse you can change the location. I am using default location. Okay, install it, and press OK, and done. That's it, your RAR is now downloaded. So now install it. So now you should here, if you want to convert this file into RAR file, just click right click and add to archive. Now by default it give you the location here, in location where it will exist. If you want to change the location, you can go and change the location. So I'm just press OK. So it create a RAR file of this pic. If you double click it, it will open from here, you can see. So yeah. Okay, this is open, and if you want to convert this folder, you can convert, go to add to archive and press OK, and it is here. In this folder we have two pics, and if you, this is the folder, if you open it, there are two pics. So that's it for today's video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.